the FAUCET FAILURE TikTok trend, which is a really cool trend that's very extremely easy to learn. But before we get started, it would be amazing if you could just subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below and follow me on TikTok. And now let's get started. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's go with the first move. The first thing we're going to do is our right elbow goes to the right, and then with our fist, we're going to do a circle around our head. So basically, our fist goes behind our head, then it does a circle over here, and that's it. And then we're going to rub our hands. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we're going to do one of the most basic moves of TikTok. It's the dice roll. So basically, if you don't know how to do the dice roll, I'm going to explain it quickly. The first thing we're going to do is step on our left leg as if we were going to jump. We're going to do like a small jump. And then we're going to step on our right leg. And then for our hands, our left arm is straight and then our right one goes 1, 2. And our hands are in fists. So it's going to look like this. 1. Once again, 1. Perfect. And now let's put all of that together from the beginning. Let's go. 1, 2. Rub, dice roll. Now, what we're going to do is our right fist goes towards our left shoulder, and then our hand is going to do like this circle, just like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Now after that, we're going to stand for about half a second, maybe a little bit less. You're going to see how much, like when you actually watch the TikTok, you're going to know. And then after that, we're going to do the sway. And for our hand, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, by the way, if you want me to do a tutorial on how to do the most basic moves of TikTok, for example, the sway, the dice roll, and other moves which are like the most popular that you can see in almost every dance, then comment down below. And now let's move on. So let's do it from the beginning, and we'll go on with the next move. 1, 2, rub, dice roll, 1 and 2, sway, sway. Now, after this, what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we have a table here or a flat surface, and then our right fist goes down, then our left one goes down. We're going to go 1, 2. So right now it might look weird, but when we do it fast, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you can do it. You do it once. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. If you already know how to do it, let's move on. So after this, we're going to swing to the right and then back to the left. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. But it's going to be fast. 1, 2. Okay? And then we're going to go with the next move, and we're going to do it from the beginning again. We're going to put our right hand in this position, like we're going to show a 0 or an OK sign. And it does like a big circle. It goes up, and then it goes down. And it stays there. And then we're going to go 1, 2. So basically, we're just going to move all our body to the left while our hand stays in the same place. And then we're going to go back, just like that. 1, 2. So let's go. 1, 2. Rub, dice roll. 1 and 2. Sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing, swing. Circle. Down. 1, 2. This is going to be fast, so it's not going to be 1, 2, but 1, 2. Okay? And then after that, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do this move. You can also see it in almost every TikTok. We're just going to step to the left, and we're going to swing our arm, then to the right, and then swing our arm. So 1, 2. And then after that, our hand is going to be in a fist, and it goes towards our right shoulder. 1. And then we're going to roll our arms. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2. Perfect. And now, after that, we don't have much left. We're going to go 1. So we're going to pretend we are watching something. Then we're going to go 1, 2. And then, for the last part, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. So, what we're going to do now is we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. We're gonna do it first slow so that we remember everything, and then we're gonna do it faster, and that's it, and then you'll just have to film it at the TikTok speed. So first, let's go slow. Let's go. 1, 2, rub. Dice roll. 1 and 2. Sway, sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swing, swing. Up, down. 1, 2. Step, step. 1 and 2. Watch. Cross and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, when we do this, we do the same sway we did before here, but our hands go up and then they do this circle. And that's it. And now we're going to do it fast. Let's go. 1, 2, rub. Dice roll. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sway, sway. Circle down. 1, 2. Step, step. 1 and roll. Watch, cross and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, go follow me on TikTok, comment whatever you want, and I hope to see you soon.